So I thought I'd document my attempt to set up my 3D printer. Yes, I'm finally getting around to it. So go to the Solidoodle site, grab the host installer, say OK. We're going to say next. And of course I accept the agreement. And I'm just going to start with the default software that Solidoodle recommends. And then we'll branch out from there. So once this is installed, you can see do not plug in the power or the USB. So we're going to plug in the wall outlet and the USB power cable. Windows should detect your motherboard and assign the appropriate driver. So let's find out. Although I still have to crawl under my desk to find a power plug. But, well, maybe. We'll see. We'll see. So yes, finally getting around to it. Gonna do a couple of test prints, but what's something you guys want to see me print? Put it down in the comments, and we'll see. I'm thinking I might just try like something easy to start, like a pyramid or maybe a companion cube. You know, something where you need to dial in, you know, calibrate these things, and I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, so I plan to fail horribly on the computer here for you, and then beg Jerry to come over and help me figure out what I'm doing wrong. Virtual serial driver install. Uh-oh. Windows setup copy OEM INF error. Whoa. I figured it out. It was the fact that you actually have to, because I'm using Windows 8, you have to go into basically reboot Windows, go into like legacy mode, tell it that it can install unsigned drivers, and all of that information is up here. So now we have turned on the printer, which is the loud noise that you hear in the background. And I think that's obviously the first thing that me and this printer are going to upgrade. I believe there are going to be some Noctua fans coming. Okay guys, so I had to realign the y-axis, which is why I was making all that grinding noise, and yay. So let me show you what I did, and we will get back to trying to do a test print, but after that I'm freaking going to bed. So over here, I had to take off the side panel, and basically you have to loosen the y-axis motor, take off the drive belt, and then if I can get you in here close enough, guys, you have to, there's little Allen heads on these drive shafts that you loosen and then roll this whole carriage assembly back and forth along the y-axis. Okay, so we're slicing and dicing, and I manipulated this. It's basically a cell phone holder, and it seemed to be like nice and straight, so we'll see if I should be able to print it without too much support material. I did figure out how to add the support material, which is what it's doing right now, which was why my last print failed, and we'll see how this goes. But as you can see, when it's pink, that's the 3D model itself. It's slicing it and adding support material. When it turns blue, we'll be ready to go. And as you can see down here, down bottom here, it's putting the G code out to the composition.g code. And you can see the heat of the extruder in the bed.